In this video, we will know who was Salahuddin Ayyubi and how he ruled the world. Salahuddin Ayyubi, also known as Saladin, was a prominent military leader and statesman in the Islamic world during the 12th century. Born in Tikrit, Iraq, in 1137, Salahuddin rose to prominence as military commander and played a crucial role in the defense and eventual recapture of Jerusalem from Crusader control. Salahuddin's early years were marked by his service to the Muslim ruler, Shirkuh, and his uncle, Shirkuh's nephew, who was known as the famous Salahuddin Ayyubi. Together, they faced various challenges, including conflicts with the Crusaders in the Levant. Following the death of his uncle in 1169, Salahuddin assumed leadership and continued the fight against the Crusaders. One of Salahuddin's most significant achievements was the Battle of Hattin in 1187. This decisive confrontation with the Crusader forces, led by King Guy of Jerusalem, resulted in a resounding victory for Salahuddin. The aftermath of the battle paved the way for the recapture of Jerusalem later that year. Salahuddin's chivalrous conduct during and after the conquest earned him respect, even among his adversaries. Salahuddin's capture of Jerusalem marked a turning point in the history of the Crusades. His commitment to religious tolerance was evident when he allowed Christians to leave the city safely, and he even worked towards ensuring the fair treatment of prisoners. This contrasted sharply with the brutal conquest of Jerusalem by the Crusaders in 1099. Salahuddin's reign as the Sultan of Egypt and Syria saw the establishment of a more stable and unified Muslim state. He sought to consolidate his power and defend the newly acquired territories from potential Crusader counterattacks. Despite facing several challenges, including conflicts with other Muslim leaders, Salahuddin maintained a degree of stability in the region. Salahuddin Ayyubi passed away in 1193, leaving behind a legacy of military prowess, statesmanship, and religious tolerance. His life and achievements continue to be celebrated in Islamic history and culture, and he is remembered as a symbol of unity and resilience. Salahuddin's role in the Crusades and the recapture of Jerusalem has made him an enduring figure in the collective memory of the Muslim world.